in a hot dog stand, making them hot dogs as fast as you can. Up steps a cat, yells, don't be slow, and get me 2 hot dogs ready to go. Hot dog! She's my baby. Hot dog! Drives me crazy. Hot dog! I don't mean maybe, well, you ought to see my baby at the hot dog stand. Well, in the cool of the evening when the sun goes down, all the chicks and the cats all are gathered around. They order hot dogs and red soda pop and head down the road to a hip cat hop. Hot dog! She's my baby. Hot dog! Drives me crazy. Hot dog! Don't mean maybe, well, you ought to see my baby at the hot dog stand.
Hey. Come on, Sebastian. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Oh, William got ball. Pretty good, huh? Pretty good for just a little puppy. What is it? I do something?
No, I just heard a noise and I tried to figure out what it was. It might have been an acorn falling on the tin roof back there.
No, I heard it's the board, I thought.
No, that I heard, but I heard something like, it sounded like a pot, so that's the only thing that's back there. Sometimes they might be critters or something, or make sure a cow don't get into the field.
Wait.
It's gone now. It's hard to hear anything over dogs. Okay, let's concentrate on the dog, not the sound. Make him,
heel.
I want him to sit again.
Sit. Sit.
And tell him to stay.
Good boy.
You didn't tell him to stay.
Oh. Stay. Put it back, right?
Yep.
Stay.
And now listen to me. What I want you to do is walk into the building. And then just for count to 10 and then come back out. Stand there and then come.
Stay.
No.
Stay. No.
Put him back.
No.
Always put him back right where you put him. Because if not, he learns he can move and do whatever he wants. You put him back in the same spot as close as you can. For him to sit.
Sit.
Don't
sit.
Push on him.
Oh.
Don't push on him. That hurts his back.
Sit.
There you go. Always use your leash. If not, you'll hurt his hips. And
Stay.
And reconfirm
Stay.
before you leave. I'm going to show you like this.
Stay.
Whenever you do that, just say, stay. Real firm with him.
Stay.
Like you really
stay.
Mean. If he moves, tell him, no, stay.
No, stay.
That's right. No, sit. Now you tell him, stay.
Stay.
Like you, that's it. That's
stay.
Better. That's better. You sound like you mean it.
Stay.
If he doesn't, right, keep walking. If he doesn't move, don't say anything. If he gets down, then you tell him.
Stay. Stay there. Stay. One, two, three, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 10. Oh! What are you doing? Sebastian! Come! Good boy! Come on! Come on! Good boy! Oh, oh, oh. You missed me! You missed me! Oh! Heel. 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 What? Heel.
There you go. You see how that bucket's hanging? Look at it right now. If it's up in the air, it's too tight. It has to be loose.
Okay, heel. Heel.
Because if it's tight, he's still getting pressure. And you don't want him to have pressure.
Heel.
Okay, now can you pick up your pace a little bit faster and walk a little faster with him here? Like you're in a hurry, you're wanting to go somewhere.
Heel.
Heel, heel, heel. Good boy, heel.
Heel.
That's good. I need you to walk a little faster
Heel.
with him. There you go.
Heel. Heel.
If he stays with you, like okay, now slow down. I didn't say stop, I just said slow down. And I tell you to slow down, all you gotta do is slow down. If you're getting too close, you know you can't run into it. So you have to think for yourself, and that just means turn around.
Heel. Heel.
There you go. Make him sit.
Good boy. Sit.
Step back. Back. You're making your feet. 3 steps until you sit again.
Heel. Sit. Sit.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Good
Good boy.
boy.
Oh, that's pretty good, huh? Going way over there.
That is very good.
He's never done
I had to correct him. I had to put him back. He was thinking to go see Daddy over there. But I put him back and I told him to stay, and he did. Does he know how to lay down?
Well, you have to kind of sit him and kind of pull down a little. So.
Okay, well, this is what we're going to learn this week. Sebastian, come. No. Sebastian, come. Good boy.
We tell him bed, he goes to bed sometimes.
Okay, to teach a dog to lay down, the collar should be underneath of him because you're pulling down, not behind him because he gets confused. Sebastian, down, 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 pull his foot, down, good, down.
Good boy.
No,
Down.
down. Good, no, down. Good, oh, no, down, down. Good, good, down. Stay. Good boy. Stay down. Good boy. Good boy. Good down. Good boy.
Are you Cherokee Indian?
Mm-hmm.
You are? I'm Cherokee.
Oh, how cool is that? Cool. Sebastian, sit.
Have you ever met any
Good sit.
Cherokees?
I have a couple. Good boy. Okay. Now, again, I'm going to get him to go down, and I don't want to press on his back. The other thing, a way to get them to go down real easy, is if you have a treat,
Yeah.
and you put it in front of them, and they'll lay down. But I try to do things without treats.
You know what I do to when he's not listening? First of all, when he's not laying down, I take a leaf or something when he thinks it's a treat, and I take a bite of it right so that I just spit it out. And then I put it down and make him lay down. Now, sometimes when I tell him bed, he goes to bed.
Okay, well, this is the exercise that you're going to do when you heal him, when you make him sit, when you make him stay. You practice the down with him. Because when you want him to lay down, you want him to lay down. If you need to look at him because he's hurt, he needs to lay down. Sebastian, down, down. Good.
Oh, good boy.
What a good
down.
Boy.
Good
He
boy.
did it. He did it. He did very good.
Smart. Usually they don't
Good
get it that
boy.
fast.
I know. Well, he's an exceptional smart boy. Good down. Good boy.
It's funny, the ears used to be like sideways.
Yeah, they do funny things until they come up. Sebastian, sit. When he does it, say sit. Give him a little tug. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good sit. Good sit. Yeah. What a good boy.
I'll do my best to do the best I can. Yeah, I'll do my best to do the best I can.